Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20 time in that exercise 20C. Next question, third one, subtract. In that A, 5 days 12 hours from 7 days 18 hours. So from 7 days 18 hours you have to subtract 5 days 12 hours. Okay, so let us write days in one column and hours in the second column. So from 7 days 18 hours, this you have to write first. From 7 days 18 hours you have to subtract 5 days 12 hours. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 8 minus 2 it is 6, 1 minus 1 0. Now 7 minus 5 it is 2. So the answer is 2 days 6 hours. Okay, next to B, 7 days 19 hours from 12 days 10 hours. So from 12 days 10 hours you have to subtract 7 days 19 hours. Okay, so days you can write in one column, hours in the other column. Okay, so from 12 days 10 hours you have to subtract 7 days 19 hours. Now here actually we can't do normal subtraction here. Okay, from 10 hour you have to subtract 19 hour. It is not possible, and we have to do one thing, that is 12 days. From this 1 days, we know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay, so 1 day, that is 24 hours, we are taking to this side, to hours part. Okay, so this will be 10 plus 24, you will get 34 here. Okay, so from 12 days, 1 day, which is equal to 24 hours, we are taking to this side, hours part. So here it will be, here this 10 will be 10 plus 24, you will get 34. Okay, that 24 hours you are adding to this 10. So 10 plus 24, here it will be 34. Okay, now here you can subtract 1 from 12. Okay, from 12 days you take 1 day, that is 24 hours to this side. So 12 will become 12 minus 1, this will be 11. Now you can do the subtraction. 34 minus 19, what you will get? It is 9. Here this will be 14, this will be 2. Now 9 to 14 it is 5. Now here 1, 15 you will get. Okay, 7 to 11, 11 minus 7 it is 4. So the answer is 4 days 15 hours. Okay, in case of subtraction, if smaller number is coming above means you have to change that. Okay, and then only you can do the subtraction. Next is C, 9 days 5 hours from 12 days. So from 12 days you have to subtract 9 days 5 hours. So days you can write in one column and hours in the second column. So from 12 days, hours you can put 0. Okay, in hours column you can put 0. 12 days 0 hours. You have to subtract 9 days 5 hours. You can write 5 like this. Okay. So here you can see from 0 you have to subtract 5. So that is not possible. Smaller quantity is coming above. So what to do? From 12 you can take 1 day to this side, hours column. Okay, 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 1 day you are converting to hours it is. In hours you are taking to this side. So this will be 24. Okay, from 12 days we are taking 1 away. So this 12 will become 12 minus 1, 11 it will be. Okay, now from 24 you can subtract 5. What you will get? It is 24 minus 5, you will get 19. Okay, now 11 minus 9, it is 2. So the answer is 2 days 19 hours. So this will be the answer. Okay, next D, 5 weeks 9 days from 8 weeks 3 days. So from 8 weeks 3 days you have to subtract 5 weeks 9 days. Okay, so weeks you can write in one column and days you can write in the other column. So from 8 weeks 3 days you have to subtract 5 weeks 9 days. Okay, so days 3 days and 9 days you can write it like this, 0 3 and 0 9. Okay, in this way you should write. So you can subtract days column. From 3 you can't subtract 9. Okay, smaller quantity is coming above. So what to do? 1 week you can take to this side. Okay, from 8 you can take a 1 week to this side. So we know 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay, so that 1 week in days you are taking to this side. So here 3 will be 3 plus 7. That is 3 plus 1 week. You will get 7. 3 plus 1 week you will get 3 plus 7. That is 10 days it will be. Okay, to this 3 we are adding 7 days. That is 1 week in days you are adding to this side. Okay, 1 week nu parayunna 7 days. Ee 3 days inde oppam add cheyumbo 7 plus 3 10 you will get here. Now this 8 will become 8 minus 1 7. 1 week the 7 1 week you are taking to this side. 1 week നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുത്തു 7 days ആയിട്ട്. So ഇവിടെ 8 will become 8 minus 1 7 it will be. Okay, now you can subtract 10 minus 9 it is 1. Okay, now 7 minus 5 you will get 2. So the answer is 2 weeks 1 day. Okay, so E 9 hours 25 minutes from 11 hours 40 minutes. Okay, so here hours you can write in one column, minutes in the other column. From 11 hours 40 minutes you have to subtract 9 hours 25 minutes. Okay, so from 40 you can subtract 25. Larger or greater quantity is coming above, so no need to take anything from hours to minutes. Okay, so here you can do normal subtraction. This will be 10, this will be 3. Okay, 5 here 1. Now 11 minus 9 it is 2. So the answer is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, next step 3 hours 46 minutes from 5 hours 25 minutes. So here also hours you can write in one column and minutes in the other column. From 5 hours 25 minutes you have to subtract 3 hours 46 minutes. Here smaller quantity is coming above 25. From 25 you have to subtract 46. It is not possible. So what to do? Take 1 hour. That is 1 hour. You know it is 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour that is 60 minutes you are taking to minutes column. Okay, so here 25 will be 60 plus 25. Okay, add this 1 hour that is 60 minutes to this 25. So what you will get? 60 plus 25 you will get 85 here. Okay, this will be 85. 25 minodopam 1 hour that is 60 minutes add cheyumbo you will get 60 plus 25 85 minutes above. Okay, now this 5 will become 5 minus 1 4 you will get. Subtract 1 from here. 1 hour you take to this side. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 85 minus 46. So this will be 15 here 7. So 6 to 15 it is 9. 4 to 7 it is 3. Here it will be 39 minutes and 4 minus 3 1 you will get. So the answer is 1 hour 39 minutes. Okay, next G 10 hours 45 minutes from 22 hours. So from 22 hours you have to subtract 10 hour 45 minutes. Okay, so from 22 hours 22 you can write in hours part, minutes part you can write a 0. 22 hours 0 minutes. From that you have to subtract 10 hours 45 minutes. Okay, here 0. From 0 you have to subtract 45. from smaller quantity you need to subtract greater quantity. That is not possible. So what to do? Take 1 hour. Here 22 hour. So take 1 hour from hours to minutes. Okay, 1 hour we know it is 60 minutes. So this 60 minute you can add here. 60 plus 0 you will get 60. Okay, now 22 will be 22 minus 1, you will get 21. 22 na 1 hour. 1 hour എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അത് മിനിറ്റ്സിൽ 60 minutes. Okay, that 60 minutes ഇവിടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 1 hour സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യാം. Okay, so here it will be 60. Here 22 will become 21. Okay, now you can subtract 60 minus 45. What you will get here? It will be 10. Here 5. So you will get 15 here. Now 21 minus 10, it is 11. So the answer is 11 hours and 15 minutes. Okay. Next H, 12 minutes 40 seconds from 17 minutes 54 seconds. So from 17 minutes 54 seconds you have to subtract 12 minutes 40 seconds. Okay. So minutes you can write in one column and second you can write in another column. So from 17 minutes 54 seconds you have to subtract 12 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, so here 54, from 54 you have to subtract 40. That is possible. Greater number is coming above. So you can do the subtraction. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 4, it is 1. 17 minus 12, it is 5. So the answer will be 5 hours and 5 minutes. Here minutes and seconds. So 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay. Next I, 15 minutes 28 seconds from 22 minutes 13 seconds. So from 22 minutes 13 seconds you have to subtract 15 minutes 28 seconds. So minutes you can write in one column and seconds you can write in the next column. Okay, so from 22 minutes 13 seconds you have to subtract 15 minutes 28 seconds. So here also you can see one thing, smaller quantity is coming above. So what to do? Here from 22 minutes you can take a 1 minute to seconds column. Okay, so 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So you are taking 60 seconds to this column. So this 13 will be 13 plus 60. Okay, you are adding 60 to this 13 seconds. So 60 plus 13, what you will get? It is 73. 13 will become 73. Okay, now 22 will become 22 minus 1, 21 it will be. Okay, here 1 minute we take to this side. So this will be 21. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 73 minus 28. So 3. It will be 13. Here 6. So 5, then 4. 45 seconds. Now here 21 minus 15. You will get a 6. So the answer is 6 minutes 45 seconds. Okay. Next L, 8 years 11 months from 15 years 5 months. So years you can write in one column and months you can write in next column. From 15 years 5 months you have to subtract 8 years and 11 months. Okay, so you can write like this, 1505 minus 811. Okay, now here you can see one thing, 5 minus 11. So smaller quantity is coming above. So what to do? 1 year you can take from this 15 years here. So from 15 you can take a 1 year to months column. Okay, so you know 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, so if you are taking 1 year to months column, this will be 12 plus 5. Okay, you are adding 1 year, that is 12 months to this 5 months. So 12 plus 5, it will be 17. Now this 15 year, you can subtract 1 year from this 15 and this will be 14. 15 years nu 1 year നമ്മൾ months ലേക്ക് എടുക്കുകയാണ്. So 1 year എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 12 months. So 12 plus 5. ഈ 5ൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം ആ 12 months ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get 17 here. ഇവിടെ 15 എന്ന് 1 year പോകുമ്പോൾ this will be 14 years. Okay, now 17 minus 11 you will get 6 and 14 minus 8 you will get 6. So the answer is 6 years and 6 months. Okay, the question in that A, what is the time? 2 hours 25 minutes before 9:10 p.m. So 9:10 p.m. in 2 hours 25 minutes മുമ്പേ എത്രയായിരുന്നു ടൈം? ഓക്കെ, അതാണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. സോ 9:10 p.m. let us convert this to 24-hour clock time. So given time is in p.m. So what to do? Just add 12 hours to 9:10. Okay, so 9:10 plus 12 you will get 21:10. That means 21 hours 10 minutes. Okay, you have to find 2 hours 25 minutes before 21 hours 10 minutes. That is 9:10 p.m. Okay, so how can you find? Just subtract 21 hours 10 minutes and 2 hours 25 minutes. Okay, from 21 hours 10 minutes you can subtract 2 hours 25 minutes. So here 10 is less than 25. Okay, smaller quantity comes above, means you have to take 1 hour from this side. Okay, this is hours column and this is minutes column. Okay, so 1 hour you can take to this side. So what you will get? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 10 will be 10 plus 60, you will get 70 here. 21 will be 21 minus 1, you will get 20 here. 1 hour you can take from 21 and that 1 hour you are adding to this 10. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 plus 10 it will be 70. Now 21 minus 1 it will be 20 here. So 70 minus 25, what you will get here? This will be 10 here, 6, 45. Now 20 minus 2 you will get 18. So 18:45, 18 hours 45 minutes. On converting to 12-hour clock time, how can you convert 18:45 hours to 12-hour clock time? Just subtract 12 from this time. Okay, so 18:45 minus 12 you will get 6:45. Now hours you can replace that by PM. 6:45 PM is the answer. Okay, next B, what is the time? 5 hours after 10 PM. Okay, so 10 PM in 5 hours after എത്രയായിരിക്കും time? So 10 PM, let us convert this to 24-hour clock time. So what you will get? Just add this given time is in PM. So add 12 to this time. So 12 plus 10 you will get 22 hours. Okay, now 5 hours after 22 hours you have to find. So just add these two time. Okay, 22 hours plus 5 hours you will get 27 hours. Okay, but 1 day means it is 24 hours. So you can split this like this: 24 hours plus 3 hours. Okay, now this 24 hours you can convert that to 12-hour clock time. It will be 12 midnight. Okay, 24 minus 12 you will get 12, but it will be midnight. 24 hours it will be 12 midnight. Okay, plus 3 hours. So what will be the time? 3 hours after 12 midnight. 3 hours after 12 midnight it will be morning 3 o'clock. Okay, that is 3 AM. So this is the time, 5 hours after 10 PM. Okay, next see, what time was it? 4 hours 25 minutes before 4:35 PM. So 4:35 PM in 4 hours 25 minutes in മുമ്പുള്ള time. Okay, അതെന്താണെന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So let us write 4:35 PM in 24-hour clock time. So the given time is in PM. So you just add 12 to this time. Okay, so you will get 16:35. That means 16 hours 35 minutes. Okay, now 4 hour 25 minutes before 16 hours 35 minutes you have to find here. Okay, so how can you find? Just subtract 16 hours 35 minutes minus 4 hour 25 minutes. Okay, hours in one column and minutes in the other column. Okay, now 35 minus 25 it is 10. 16 minus 4 it is 12. Okay, so 12 10, that is 12 hours 10 minutes. That is 12:10. So 4 hours 25 minutes before 4:35 p.m. it will be 12:10 p.m. Okay. In that D, what time will it be? 5 hours after 8:30 p.m. So 5 hours after 8:30 p.m. what will be the time? Okay. So 8:30 p.m. let us convert this to 24-hour clock time. So just the given time is in PM. So just add 12 to this given time. So 12 plus 8:30 you will get a 20:30. That means 20 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Now 5 hours after 20 hours 30 minutes you have to find here. So how can you find? Just add these two time, that is 20 hours 30 minutes. 20 30 plus 5 you can add. So what you will get? It is 25 30. Okay, this is hours column and this is minutes column. 25 hours 30 minutes. How can you split this? This is greater than 24. One day means only 24 hours. So 24 plus 1. 25 you can split it as 24 plus 1 plus 30 minutes. Okay, 24 plus 1 hours you can write. Plus 30 minutes. Okay, so 24 you can write it as 12 midnight. 24 hours means it is 12 midnight plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes. Okay, this means 1 hour 30 minutes after 12 midnight it will be 1:30 a.m. So 5 hours after 8:30 p.m. it will be 1:30 a.m. Okay, in that E you can do as homework. Next, fifth one, find the time interval between 6:15 a.m. and 4:10 p.m. Okay, so 6:15 a.m. and 4:10 p.m. First, convert the given times into 24-hour clock time. Okay, 6:15 a.m. means you can just write as 6:15 and a.m. replace it by hours. Okay, 6:15 a.m. in 24-hour clock time it is 6:15 hours. Okay, 4:10 p.m. in 24-hour clock time. How can you change this? The given time is in p.m. So just add 12 to this time. Okay, so 12 plus 4 it is 16:10 hours. Replace this p.m. by hours. Okay, now you can subtract from 16:10 hours, you can subtract 6:15 hours. Okay, so 16:10, this is hours column, this is minutes column. Okay, so 16:10 minus 6:15. Okay, now here smaller quantity comes above. So what to do? 1 hour you can take to this side. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 10 will be 10 plus 60. This will be 70. And 16 will become 16 minus 1. It will be 15. Okay. Now 70 minus 15. What you will get? Here this will be 10. This will be 6. You will get a 55. 55 here. Now 15 minus 6 it is 9. Okay. So the answer is 9 hours and 55, 9 hours 55 minutes. So in between 6:15 a.m. and 4:10 p.m. the time interval is 9 hours 55 minutes. Okay. Do the 6th one as homework. Now 7th one. Simran started for morning walk at 5:50 a.m. She came back at 7 a.m. How long did she walk? So time she starts. Time she started her walk. It is given 5:50 a.m. Okay. Time she came back. It is given 7 a.m. Okay. So how long did she walk? So time she walked equal to, how can you find this? Just subtract 7 a.m. and 5:50 a.m. Okay, what is the time interval in between 5:50 a.m. and 7 a.m. that you need to find here? Simran 5:50 a.m. morning walk start ചെയ്തു 7 a.m. തിരിച്ചു വന്നു. സോ എത്ര ടൈമാണ് മോർണിംഗ് വാക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്? സോ എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം? ഫ്രം 7 a.m. you just subtract 5:50 a.m. Okay, so 7 a.m. minus 5:50 a.m. Okay. So 8th question. A train leaves Delhi to Kolkata at 6:40 a.m. in the morning. It takes 16 hours 50 minutes to reach Kolkata. At what time will the train reach Kolkata? Give the answer in AM or PM. Okay, so a train is leaving from Delhi to Kolkata. So start. At what time the train starts? It is 6:40 a.m. Okay, that journey starts at 6:40 a.m. That is that time at which train leaves Delhi to Kolkata. It is 6:40 a.m. Okay, you can write this in 6 hours and 40 minutes. In this way you can write. Okay, 6:40 a.m. means 6 hours 40 minutes. Okay, now time taken to reach Kolkata. It takes 16 hours 50 minutes to reach Kolkata. So you can write time taken to reach Kolkata. It is 16 hours and 50 minutes. Okay. Now what you need to find here, at what time will the train reach Kolkata? Okay, time at which. Therefore time at which train reach Kolkata. How can you find? At 6 hours 40 minutes. That is 6:40 a.m. it started. Okay, and it take 16 hours 15 minutes to reach Kolkata. So you just add these two times. To 6:40 a.m. or 6 hours 40 minutes you can add 16 hours 50 minutes. Okay. So adding what you will get, hours in one column and minutes in the other column. Okay, so 6 hours 40 minutes, to that you can add 16 hours 50 minutes. Okay, so on adding what you will get here 90, here 22 hours 90 minutes. Okay, but here 22 hours 90 minutes, it is more than 1 minute. Okay, we can split this 90 minutes as 60 plus 30 minutes. Okay, 90 minutes we can split it as 60 plus 30 minutes. So 22 hours plus 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. This will be 90 minutes. 22 hours 90 minutes. Okay, now in place of the 60 minutes we can give 1 hour. 60 minutes it is 1 hour. Okay, so 22 hours plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes. Okay, now 22 hours and 1 hour you can add. So you will get 23 hours plus 30 minutes. Okay, that is 23 30 hours. Okay, it is 23 30 hours. Now you can write this in AM or PM. It is greater than 12, so it is PM. Okay, in order to convert this to, this is 24-hour clock time. In order to convert this to 12-hour clock time, what to do? Just subtract 12 from this. 12 hours you can subtract from this. So what you will get? 23 minus 12 you will get 11. So 11:30. Now this hours you can replace it by PM. Okay, this is greater than 12, so it will be PM. 11:30 PM it will reach Kolkata. Okay, do the 9th question as homework. Now this much only you have to study for exam from this chapter. Okay, timetable not needed. So our portions are over. Thank you.